on, family? Hey, appreciate y'all coming back. Today, we are actually gonna start disassembling the KA that came out of the car. For those of you who are new, this is a KA24DE. Actually a truck motor that came out of the 240SX. In Japan, they had the SR20. So we got the KA in the United States. But anyway, I brought my own engine stand. This is Josh's. I know he said I can use it, but I brought my own, throw it on there because I don't know how long this transfer is going to take me. I've been trying to do it for the past 3 weeks and nada. So I brought my own engine stand. I'm going to start taking this apart, throw it on there so we can move around if we have to. But anyway, without further ado, what I'm concentrating on today is pulling the power steering pump, AC compressor, alternator, and, if time permits, intake manifold. And then tomorrow, I'm going to remove the transmission, pull the new motor out, get it up on the stand, and start transferring all the stuff over to the new motor. So, see how time works with us today. When it gets dark, I'm heading home. All right. I am going to introduce the shop to you guys, but I want to make sure that he has everything in place. You know, we're working on all the, what do you call it? Working on all the, I can't think of the word right now, but once we get all the name and everything figured out, well, it's figured out, we just got to get everything in place. I'll give you guys a proper introduction to the shop. Alright, so, well, we're gonna slide this out and start pulling stuff off. Well, as you can see, we're back. Day 2, but probably 3 days ago. We're going to get the intake manifold off and hopefully separate the transmission, get the oil pump off. And it falls.
that Ford?
Yeah.
No wonder those pistons look like mine. Yeah, they're dished.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like, they look exactly like the ones I put on mine. They're funny.
Huh? 10.
What's that?
No. It's 8. Cause he said it's too. He told me it's too higher than what the car came with.
So and those 2 6 to 1 compression. Mine's 8.5 to 1 compression.
Dang.
I'm keeping it stock because I'm gonna do a lot of boost. I wouldn't have a lot of compression in my system.
I want high ass compression. Alright, so we got the oil pump, oil pan off, pretty much stripped down. I made my oil spill as usual. And I got that spiffy scoop away, clean it up. I don't know about that. Got the block out of the box, ready to go. And main man, Josh, inspected it yesterday. So, hey, today just a chill day. And hey, this is my man Carlos right here. So, we got the engine guy, we got the body guy. I'm just the prep guy. Alright, and told y'all, big things coming to this channel. Jeremiah, he's gonna be working that camera, doing his little sketch thing, art thing. So, hey, again, big things coming to the channel. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for subscribing. Hit that thumbs up, and if you go just a little bit below the video, hit that share button and just start throwing names in there. All right, appreciate y'all.